Typing long emails or documents on your iPhone's touchscreen can be slow and frustrating. A Bluetooth keyboard makes it much easier to write emails, take notes, or work on the go, just like using a laptop. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to connect any Bluetooth keyboard to your iPhone in just a few simple steps. I have my Bluetooth keyboard and my iPhone right here, and keep in mind that this will work with any Bluetooth keyboard and any iPhone model. I will now turn on my keyboard by flipping this switch on the back of my keyboard, but your model may be different, so the switch can be on the front. Just turn on the keyboard, then enable the Bluetooth switch on your iPhone. You should also have a little connect button that you'll hold for a second or two until the pairing light starts blinking. I'll then go over to my iPhone and the keyboard should appear in the Bluetooth devices section. My keyboard name is Trust, so I'll tap on it to connect. And that's essentially it. You can now start typing on your Bluetooth keyboard, and you can write longer documents, emails, or whatever you need. If you found this guide useful, then please consider leaving a like, and I will see you soon.